Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to show everyone a quick slide as well as an easy means to create YouTube content. I am currently using the software called Screenomatic. You don't have to download it on your computer. All you have to do is just go to screenomatic.com and launch the free recorder. This is how I usually make presentations for my classes, doing academic seminar, and I can easily put them up to YouTube afterwards. So this was just my presentation I want to show you all today about raising our program's social media presence on Facebook, or just simply put 3 Facebook post tips to improve our program's social media presence. Or a cohort are just bored really and they look on social media a lot. So, leveraging trends and events. School sites' Facebook pages are trending during the quarantine. My principal at the school site I work at is doing a really great job with their social media. And to be honest, their capacity to reach out to our cohort outpaces any singular program. On top of that, our cohort are liking their posts as well. For example, Jackie Patton is a parent of a student that I'm working on to help fill out the FAFSA. By contacting her through this means, I'm able to bring social awareness to our Facebook page for Gear Up and honestly drive cohort to our program website when I start helping the school make content. The school is allowing me to be part of their videos now, so I am kind of hinting at to students and parents, hey, here is our YouTube page, here's our Facebook page, like it so that you can get more information. Really, at the end of the day, because I want to get at them cohorts. By following a strict social media protocol, advisors and media and admin can create a digital correspondence with the cohort. For example, I am not friends with any of the students that you see on this page. I am just sending them out messages. This was through the friendship group that teachers already had, and they kind of sent me messages to kind of answer their questions on. But for the most part, I just kind of said, "Hey, here's a Gear page. If you have any questions, ask that page." Um, and not only is my school site doing it, but all of our school sites are doing it. If we as an organization reach out to our school sites and say, hey, we would like to help you, or hey, we have some content that we can kind of help deliver, I think we can kind of get at our cohort digitally and more easily. Balancing stories and educational content. So when we reached our cohort, um, giving them not only educational content but just general enrichment content will kind of balance out that approach. We don't want to get them dull on, oh, this is just always going to be math information. No, we're actually providing some all around information for you as well. Self care, helping with study skills, college exploration, and other enrichment. So leveraging community and group forums. After we've created that content, after we have put them on our Facebook page, that is only the beginning. We have to push those messages out to community groups and forums so that people will honestly like our page and get some content. So each like community, I've kind of looked it up, is creating this Facebook page called "Helping Your Neighborhood in Need," and then like in the parentheses, it might have the city that you're in, or region, or COVID-19. Parents are parents in our cohort are gathering these social media pages and kind of liking them and joining them, and this is where we can start putting our content. By putting our content on there, maybe dicing it up into shorter videos so that they can go like our greater YouTube videos. This would drive our content. This would get more people interested in us, and I think you know would drive students to our pages. So just briefly, I just want to talk about leveraging trends and events, balancing stories and educational content, and leveraging community groups and forums while doing the Facebook post, and I guess any social media while I'm talking about it in terms of reaching out to our cohort. Thank you for your time.